I am Ashwini Kumar again in front of you, your head of department sports. Uh, Due to lockdown, all are inside houses. Hope so you all are healthy, wealthy, and strong. And hope so you are following my guidelines, especially for health, whatsoever we are delivering to you daily basis. So, beta, uh, with sports we can overcome so many things. Even nowadays, how we can improve our health. I told you so many times. You see, we during sports program, we can do so many things for our society, for our nation, for all of the world. Today, my topic is specific sports program. What we can do as a sportsman, what we can organize for you as a sports coach, as a sports teacher, as a physical education teacher, what we can do for society at the time when society is in trouble. Trouble may be on the form of diseases, trouble may be form of poverty, trouble may be in the form of a religion basis, trouble may be in the form of unity basis. You know, so many problems in every nation nowadays. So again, I would say my topic is also regarding health, just like earlier, and sports also. Specific sports program, what we can do. First of all, we can do a run for fun. Second is a run for specific causes. Third is a run for unity. But you see, a run for fun. You see, whenever people feeling bored in society, in any kind of area, we can say. So what we can do for their recreational work, we can arrange some races, some activities for them, so that they can join fun activities over there. Suppose in the Suva area, in Hoshiarpur area, even in Jalandhar area, I want to organize such kind of event for run for fun. So I would say I will make two, three categories for that. One is for children, I mean under 19, I can say, for boys and girls. One is for 30 to 40 age category. One is for 40 beyond category, 40 and above age holders. They can participate in that. They can wear such kind of uniform, which uniformity they can show over there. So this can be a run for fun. While doing such kind of activities, we can interact with each other. Suppose we are having some problem, and I am your neighbor. We don't have any kind of good communication skill. No, I mean some problem is there. So while sports, we can get together again. So this is for a run for fun. Second is run for specific causes. What are specific causes mean? Some, in my country, there are so many poor people. Poverty is a big problem in my nation nowadays. So what we can do? Suppose a problem is there of AIDS. I mean, AIDS is a very big disease in the nation, in the world also. A cancer also. Suppose we want to collect a fund on behalf of AIDS, and we will donate to poor people, those who are suffering from such kind of diseases. So what we can do, we can call a celebrity over there. We can call Harbhajan Singh over there. We can call Sachin Tendulkar over there. We can call Gurdas Man over there. We can call Great Khali, a wrestler, over there, and we can collect money on behalf of that. Whatsoever we will get from people when they will gather over there to meet Khali, to meet Harbhajan Singh, to meet any icon, whatsoever be called over there. So this fund we can organize for such kind of people, those who are suffering from such kind of diseases and all. So this way we can help our society, help our needy people, those who really require these things, but they don't have. They don't have money. Even we can arrange blood donation camp also. Even just like we are doing in our school, we are doing charity in our school. We are collecting all so many books over there, so old copies over there, old clothes over there. So we are donating to poor people, those who really require that. Those who don't have, they are very poor. So such kind of things we can do on behalf of this kind of event. It's called run for specific causes. Next is run for unity. Beta, nowadays in our society, religion basis, so many problems are there. Suppose one is saying, I am from this community, he is from this community, that is from that community. They are having some trouble between each other. When they will get together, they will play together, they will run together, just like we can say, uh, the SUA marathon we can arrange. And we are arranging every year Hoshiarpur marathon, half marathon may be there. All dignities will come over there, all businessmen will get together there, all policemen will also get together there. So some problems if are there, they can also solve while sports. This sports is teaching us. While sports we can overcome so many things, maybe diseases, maybe a trouble, maybe a education we can get on behalf of sports. So beta, these kind of sports program, a sports coaches, a sports institutions, a sports teachers can organize on behalf of their management, on behalf of their dignities, if they will allow them to do so far. So make sports a habit. If you will make it habit, you will take a healthy things for your life. You may healthy, I mean to say, you may get a free medicine. I told you so many times. If you are taking sports as a medicine, or I'm not saying ki, everybody cannot be a star. What if you are in sports, you can take fitness automatically. A sportsman is fit and energetic than other people in the society. So please follow sports, follow health. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.